dance of the shining feathers. In the misty rainforests of New Guinea, the sunlight peeked through the tall trees, lighting up the emerald leaves like sparkling jewels. Deep inside the forest, a young female bird named Lina perched on a mossy branch, looking for something exciting to watch. Suddenly, click, 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 a sound echoed through the forest. Lina turned her head. There stood a male superb bird of paradise named Lumo, his feathers black as night and his eyes bright like stars. "Hello, Lina," said Lumo proudly. "Are you ready for the most superb show in the rainforest?" Lina tilted her head. "Show me what you got." With a swift hop, Lumo spread his feathers wide. His black cape flipped up and around, transforming him into something magical. A dancing smile of electric blue and velvet black. He jumped left, then right. He flipped, then bowed. Click, whirr, click. At his dance, the other rowless animals peeked out from the leaves. A tree kangaroo, a green python, and even a sleepy cassowary chick. Everyone watched, amazed by Lumo's shining display. When the dance ended, Lumo puffed up and asked shyly, "Well, what did you think?" Lina blinked, then smiled. "That was the most superb dance I've ever seen." And from that day on, the forest called him Lumo, the dancer of light, because wherever he danced, the shadows turned to shimmer.